Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use social links blocks in Squarespace 7.1. This feature is perfect for connecting your website visitors directly to your social media profiles, making it easier for them to follow and engage with your brand across different platforms. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. From the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the social links block. This will open up that specific site's settings and editing options, allowing you to make the changes you need. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This opens up the site editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in, click the Edit button to start making changes to your pages. Next, select the section where you want to place your social links. After you've chosen your section, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with various block options. From this menu, select Social Links. This is the block type that will house all your social media icons. Once the social links block is added, you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click on this pencil icon to start customizing your social links. You'll immediately see some sample social media icons displayed. These are placeholders that you'll now connect to your actual social media profiles. Click on any of the icons you see to link them to your social media URL. A field will pop up where you can paste your social media profile URL directly. Simply paste your URL there, and the icon will now function as a clickable link to that specific platform. Once you've pasted the URL, click back to return to the main editing screen. If you find that you don't need one of the icons, you can easily remove it. Just click on the icon you want to delete, and then select Delete Social Link. This removes it from your block entirely, keeping your design clean and relevant. You can also expand your social presence by adding more social links. Simply click on Add Social Link and a new icon slot will appear. Paste your URL there just like before, and you've successfully added another social media connection to your site. Now let's make these icons look exactly how you want them. Click on Design to access the styling options for your social links. Here you can add a border around the icons, adjust the thickness of that border, and even change the alignment and sizes of the icons to match your site's aesthetic perfectly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to apply all your changes. Your social links block is now live and fully functional, giving your visitors an easy way to connect with you across all your social media platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.